Okay, guys, I just personally want to say that you've all smashed it tonight. You all thoroughly deserve to be here, and you all deserve that place on the stage. So just be really, really proud of yourselves. Okay, let's hear it from guys. Joey.
Right then. Oh, let me put my mic on. So we have made a decision. Somebody is going to be leaving us tonight. All right. Don't get me wrong, it was tough because again, like I said last week, I saw even more improvements this week. Before I make that decision, I just want to say, like, obviously the girls are going to come and have a chat with the person that I announced. The reasons why, so they know exactly why we've announced them to leave tonight and things like that, alright? So, here we go. Everyone ready? Okay. Right, so the person that we've decided that's going to be leaving us tonight, and I want a round of applause for these two guys. The person we've decided that's going to be leaving for us, and we'll give our reasons now, is Steve. Alright, round of applause for Steve, guys. Kelly, I want to come to you first. What would you like to say to him?
I don't think this competition can offer you much more than what it's offered you. I think you've got your platform, I think you've got your following, and I think you need to come out of this process and build on that. Tonight I feel like I really got you, I really got where you want to be and where you want to go and what you want to achieve. And I felt that passion, and I think that's going to be a better place outside of this competition now. I will work with you. If you need any work campaigning, I will be, because I think the issues that you want to address are so important, and I'm behind you all the way, and I know everybody else will be. And for me, that's the only reason why, because I think that you need to step away from this competition now and work towards where you really want to go. And I'm really, really excited to see the impact that you're going to have on people, because I think it's going to be amazing. I really do.
Thanks,
Louise?
Yes, see, echoing really what Kelly said, I think tonight with your performance something kind of clicked. Kelly said it did with her, it did with me, and I got a feeling it kind of did with you as well. I feel like that's where you need to go with this, down the route of campaigning and things like that, and bringing up these issues that are kind of taboo. And I think you did fabulously tonight, but I think now you're ready to kind of go out and start working on those things and building upon what you can do, because you've got a talent, and I really enjoyed having you here. Well done, babe.
Thanks, Joey.
Steve, you know, I understand exactly what the girls are trying to say, and basically, like I said to you earlier on, I definitely don't want this to be like the end with you in connection with this network, because I really want to like talk inbox and get some stuff done, and maybe even get you down to come down to the studio and go through these projects I'm on about throughout the year now, right? So I definitely wanted to be involved in that, but it is true what the girls are saying, like, what you've done here on this platform, I can't compare you to anybody else up there, alright? And the reason why is because what you do is completely different, not just this season, but anything we've ever seen in any season of Talent Search Cymru. So I'm so grateful for that, because you brought something different to this platform. In terms of what you do now and your message, this is the right move. For us, we feel like this is the right move. So I don't want you to take it as in, oh my God, I'm not in the process no more. You're still part of this network, but the right move from you now is for you to move over basically to this side and do some campaigning on some of the things you want to talk about, all right? So take this as a credit, because this is your championship of this, because that's what we wanted to do in this network, all right? So we don't do that with everyone that leaves, you know? We're doing that with you because we feel like you've got something really special which can bring that awareness to what we want to talk about with Talent Search Cymru and that too.
Do me a favour, because travelling here.
Yeah, but you're still going to have to come down at some point, definitely, alright? But yeah, but I want to talk to you about that, but I think he deserves a round of applause, guys, because he brought something really different to us this season. So honestly, Steve, thank you so much for doing everything you've done. That's what it's all about, back from the heart. Right, well done, buddy.
Thank you, Steve. Right, can the rest of you remain on the stage a minute then, because the judges want to give you your little categories for next week. Steve, if you'd like to go and just join them yourself. Thanks, babe.
Right then, so this is going to be a little bit different now, all right? we're actually bringing back something we haven't done for a few years next week, and this is going to be a challenge. And like I said, some people, Louise excited, some people might be like, some of you may be like, oh, I can't do that, but it's all parts of learning in the industry. At some point in the industry, you will have to do what you're going to be doing next week, all right? So you need to learn to be able to work like that, all right? So what we can actually be doing, we are bringing back the battle rounds, and we are going to be teaming you all up in teams of 2, all right? So this is what we're going to be doing next week. It's a bit of a challenge because you've got to work with someone, not just on yourself, you've got to work with someone. So the first thing you're going to be doing next week is you're going to perform a solo, right? A solo each. And then you're going to be doing your team track together, right? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to announce the pays that we paid up, what me and the girls have discussed here and now. Are you all ready? Or are you going to be working with over the next 7 days? Here it is. Right. The first people we'd like to team up is Sienna and Chloe. Alright, so girls, you're going to be working with each other this week on, don't forget, you've got a solo to organise and a duo performance, right? Get some ideas together, studio's there if you want to come up, have a practice, and I'm sure you can come up with something really, really nice, right? Remember, these challenges are in place to bounce off each other. Don't knock each other down, guys. Don't think, oh my God, they're stronger than me and all this crap. Just think, do you know what? I'm going to push myself to the top limits I can. Alright, this is what they're there for. Right, so we got Sienna and Chloe doing a duet next week. And then we've got Aaron. You're going to be duetting with Rachel. Alright, so Rachel and Aaron, I'm sure you come up with something really unique for that performance. Don't forget, solo each and a duet. Alright, together. Then we've got Easy Mac and Young Sex. Alright, so boys, we want you to come up with something clever this week. Whatever you want to do with your rap together, just work it out. If you want to turn it into some like sort of cool fun battle or whatever you want to do with it, boys, just make that blow up there, right? I know you can both do it, right? So bounce off each other and work together, right? And then our final pairing, of course, there would be our youngsters left, Jess and Brooke. So you're going to be working together over the next 7 days. So, guys, I just want people to know that the studio is there. Obviously, we understand it's duets, so everyone does need to practice. So if anybody needs to practice duets, Brooke, Jess, if you need to practice duets, you're more than welcome to come to the studio, right? So, just so you both know that and everyone else, right? That does conclude next week, guys. This is the final round before we decide our finalists. So come out, bring it, own it, and show us that basically you can work with other people too in a performance, right? That's what it's about. You might find it tough at times because you might think, oh, we're not gelling and that. Make it gel. You've got to make it gel, all right? Well done to all. Round of applause for all, guys.
Let's do it again.